بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. My name is Abubaker Fatih. I study Success International School. In this video we will talk about what is Photoshop and its tools. Not all tools, some of it. So let's begin. What is Photoshop? Photoshop is Adobe photo editing, image creation and graphic design software. I'll give you some examples of picture editing and graphic design. What is Move Tool? The Move tool is located at the top left of the Photoshop toolbox. The Move tool allows you to move a selection tile layer by dragging it with your mouse or using your keyboard arrow keys. Rectangular Marquee. The Rectangular Marquee tool creates rectangular selection, or square if you hold down the Shift key. Then use the Move tool to move the pixel. Lasso. The Lasso tool is create a custom freehand selection. Then use the Move tool to move the pixel. Quick Selection. The Quick Selection tool works just like a brush that paints selection by finding and following the edges. Press Ctrl D if you want to deselect. Crop tool. The crop tool cuts out defined area, deleting or hiding the rest of the picture. Press Enter. Press Ctrl Z if you want to come back to original picture. Healing Brush. The Healing Brush tool allows you to fix image imperfections, such as scratches, blemishes, by assembling the surrounding area. If you want to use Healing Brush tool, first use Alt to take sample from surrounded area. Then left click on scratched area to fix image. Clone Stamp tool. Photoshop Clone Stamp tool allows you to duplicate part of an image. Press Alt key to take a sample. Then left click to clone. Dodge tool. The dodge tool lights areas in an image. Blur tool. The blur tool is used to paint a blur effect. As you can see, it starts to blur. History brush tool. The history brush tool allows you to restore part of an image to an earlier history state by painting over them. Frame tool. The frame tool makes it easy to place images into shapes. To use the frame tool, step 1, select the frame tool. Step 2, choose a shape for your frame from the option bar. Step 3, draw a frame where you want to place an image. Step 4, place an image into the frame. I hope that I gave useful information about Photoshop to the viewer, and thank you, Mr. 8.